In this lesson, I will explain to you expected value of a discrete random variable. So first I will explain to you the definition of expected value, and then we will solve the problem with the help of formula. So the expected value of a discrete random variable of a probability distribution is the theoretical average of the variable. Right? So here I will explain it to you again one more time. What is the meaning of discrete? Is a kind of a variable or a category of a variable which we can count. And probability distribution is that we divide the probability, or we distribute the probability. Just in the case of a flip a coin, we have only two chances whether the head will come or the tail will come. So probability, I told you the sum of the probability should be equal to 1, right? So 50% chances we have for tail, 50% for a head, so total is equal to 1 or 100%. So we divide this 1 into two parts, 0.50 and 0.50, which is called the probability distribution, or simply you can say expected value by, or expectations is by definition the mean of the probability distribution, right? Mean of the probability distribution is called expected value. The formula we will use in order to calculate the expected value is equal to mu for mean, right, is equal to ex, e for expected value, x is any outcome. Then at the end we will make the total. This sigma means summation. We will make a total of outcome, multiply this dot represents multiplication probability of the corresponding outcome. Similarly, again outcome plus probability of that outcome, then at the end we have to add it. So this is the example. Suppose we have 5 boxes, so y and y. Here instead of x I am using variable y, so you should know that we can use any letter a, b, c, x, y, z for the variable. So we have 5 boxes. Box number 1, suppose I have assigned 3, 5, 7, 8 and 9, and the probability, what is the probability, see, or what is the expected value of the number that will occur. So there are 5 boxes. See, this is 3, 5, 7, all are different number. So the probability that the 3 will come is 1 by 5. Why 5? Because we have total numbers 5. What is the probability that you will pick 5? 1 by 5 and so on. So the same formula we will use for the expected value, the formula we use for the mean. This is the outcome, 3 is the outcome, and this is the corresponding probability of it. This is the outcome and it is 1 by 5 is the probability. 7 is the outcome, similarly 1 by 5 is the probability, and so on. Make the total, which is equal to 6.4. So 6.4 is the theoretical value, right? Because we do not have a 6.4 number here, so this is the theoretical average or a theoretical mean, or we can say this is the expected value. Here I have made another example. Suppose if you sell 1,000 tickets were sold at $1 each. For the washing machine valued 450, what is the expected value of gain if you purchase one ticket? So see, I have made this table. Win, if you will win, right? So the price of the washing machine is 450. It means you will win 449. Why not 450? Because you have purchased the ticket of $1 and you will lose $1. You will win 449 if you will win. And what is the probability? Because there are 1,000 tickets, so your probability that you will win the washing machine is 1 by 1,000, because you have purchased one ticket out of 1,000. And what is the probability of lose? 999 divided by 1,000. Here I have written the some explanation for a win. This one, the net gain is 449, as you will not get back your $1. For a lose, gain is represented by negative number, which is -1. If you will lose, it means you will lose your $1. So same expected value of z. Why I am using the letter z? Because now this is the variable. Same formula, whatever we have used in order to calculate the mean. This is the outcome, 449 multiplied by its probability. This is the outcome, multiply by its probability, simplify it, you will get dollar 0.55. It means that a person would lose 55 cent, you can say, average on each ticket purchased, right? So in this lesson you have learned the concept of expected value. If you have any question, you can write down in comment section, and thanks for watching.